Have you ever wanted to figure out how to promote your affiliate link on Facebook the right way? Well, I got something for you here today. Don't miss out. I'm going to tell you by the end of this video how to promote your products using your affiliate links online with Facebook. Okay guys, welcome back. My name is Mr. Luke Everett Brooks. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below with a bell notification. Once you hit that button, once you hit both those buttons to be exact, you will be subscribed to all my updated shows. The notification bell is basically needed for you when you get a notification on your phone. So once you get that notification, you can then be able to tune in to exactly what I'm talking about, no matter what time of the hour it is. So, okay, let's get down to it. You know, a lot of people want to know what the right way is to promote an affiliate link using Facebook. No matter what anyone says to you, affiliate marketing isn't dead. A lot of people think affiliate marketing had its moment and now it's down. Making money online as affiliate marketing worked for people 5 and 10 years ago because the industry was still growing. Now, many claim the market is saturated. Yes, it's saturated. A lot of people doing crazy stuff by just posting links everywhere, definitely on Facebook, which is a no-no in the Facebook groups. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you a walk down of what you need to do to get your links going. So let me show you how my back office looks. And I'm on my Facebook profile. So one of the things that you can do, and it's many areas that you can post your link, but I'm going to tell you something. Some of the things you can do is post these links into groups that you do not own. It doesn't help. It's a way to finesse this, but I'm going to show you how to do this the right way. The first place you want to go to, of course, is your profile. And if you haven't already, there's a link down below. Don't go to it yet. Wait to the end of the broadcast here that you can actually go to my Facebook mini course. I teach you everything how to turn your profile into a funnel. So you see this banner right here. If I go into my banner, and let's move this over here, you can see I have my link to my Facebook school right here. My course that I have that I teach people how to use their Facebook to make money. There's a link right there. And it basically lays out what I do for folks. That's one place to go. If you have a group, which let me show you. Let's go to passive income. I can post my link into this group as well too, because I own it. Now, that's not the only place where you can do these things, right? And people can join here and cooperate and see what's going on. You can also use your profile to post a link. Now, with that in mind, and you might say, well, I already know that, Luke. With that in mind, I'm going to educate you on something. You want to have a call to action when you're posting your link, your profile. You may say, hey, this is what I need to do. If you know, show people results, show people the testimonials, say, hey, this is the product of what I end up having as far as doing A, B, and C, and I'm willing to show people absolutely free, or whatever you're going to say, and then drop your link in there. Or you can say whoever enters, because what I'll usually do, for me, I show people my testimony. I show people what I've done. I show people the results because people want to see results. I see a lot of people throwing up numbers and stuff. I see a lot of people say, hey, look, all the money I made. Yes, money's nice to have, but it'd be a lot nicer to have the methodology of how you got to having all that money. Because a lot of people just see the money and just say this is money, a gold bar. They're not looking at what you did to get that gold bar. How long did it take you to get that gold bar? Did it take you a matter of weeks? Did it take you a matter of months? Did it take you a matter of years? And sometimes when those people don't show you the product, or you don't see them growing up from the beginning all the way to the top, it kind of looks sketchy right there. You know, I had one guy the other day tell me, hey, I made $40,000 by late November last year. Okay. You know, and you're going to have people do that. And they're going to pitch you. I'll tell you one thing too. Do not pitch to people in your messenger. Do not pitch to them unless they want to get the help. If they want help, that's a different story. If they ask about your product, it's a different story. But if you just go in there and just posting stuff in their profile, it makes you sick. Another way how to get through these groups is very simple. You can go into these groups if they allow you to do a Facebook Live and talk to the people, show people your back office. Now, you said, wait a minute, I can't post a link in the group. You can't post a link in a group, but you can always post a link in your video where you're showing people your product. So you might say, okay, we're watching this video right now and I have my portable, let's say, iPad or my cell phone. I can show the results where I can do this and then come across the screen and can see how to get access to it. The link is not posted technically, it's in the video. The video is being run. Another thing that you can also do too is talk to the people on these groups, offer them a discount, let them try out your product for free, as long as they let you use their group to host a webinar. That's right, a webinar. You can go in there, work with these folks, tell them that, hey, whatever guys that buy from me, I will give you whatever amount percentage discount. I give you 40% off of whatever they get, and you get some money. That most of these guys are not making money in these groups. They're just owning these groups, and they're just like, look, I got a big group. But if you're talking about putting money on the table, they're going to start pushing their guys to go buy this product because it knows at the end, they're going to get money. One more thing that I will talk about too is, of course, you can use Facebook ads, but I also always caution people with using Facebook ads because Facebook has been very funny with making money online niches, because to them, they think, oh, it's a scheme, it's a scheme. What I would tell you this is that don't send them directly to your product to make money, because Facebook is now going into those links to see, oh, let's see if this person's trying to make money. What you can do is give them a PDF, give them a link to a PDF on what you did as your testimony, or give them some free software, and then with your follow-up email sequence, which we talked about in the previous shows, and it will be an end card down below, you can definitely pitch to them using your automated service, and that's where the emails come in. One thing that I will show you too, if we go to the Luke Brooks page, I can go into my page, right? And I will tell you this too. A lot of people try to invite folks to their groups. That's the worst thing you can do. If you're inviting people to groups that did not seek to join your group, and then they don't do no interaction in the group, it only hurts your group. Facebook looks at it and says, no one's interested in this group. This is a dead group. But it doesn't say that about pages. You can always go into pages and you can always do lives. You own these things. You can create a post. I can create a post right now if I want to. And I can go in here and post my link in here. The whole thing is that the people that you add as your friends initially, send them directly to your page. Don't send them anywhere else other than to your page. And then once they see what's going on, they can always message you. And you can always have automation set up here for your mini chat or wherever service that you want to use to chat with them with automation, so they can get exposed to the products that you're offering. And that's something to take in consideration. And you post your content, and as it grows and grows, people will start gravitating to you. Now, you can also have this promoted. You can always have your page promoted. That's one thing YouTube, or I won't say YouTube, Facebook won't get mad about, but you don't have to promote with Facebook. You can promote your site on Google Analytics. You can promote it on YouTube. You can get people driving into your page, because once they see your page, the page tells them like, hey, this person's living this particular lifestyle. They're doing this particular thing. At the end of the day, once you go through all these things, folks will be like, okay, let me go to his group. And you can turn those groups to either a paid group or a free group. I have both. I have once, a free group, which sees Passive Income Central 2020. And I have a paid group, which is a private group that people can go to that pays me. And right there, I give them exclusive training right there. So don't be alarmed when you say, I can't post my links in there. I can't post my links, because at the end of the day, they're going to ban me. They won't ban you with those secret strategies right there. Usually something like this, they would not tell you. It would cost you money for it. But for me, I want to help people. I want people to be strong. you want to also note that you can always do engagement with people into groups that asking questions. You can answer their questions and say, hey, check your DM. I'm sending you something. So I can go into ClickFunnels officials and then look at people who are asking questions and be like, hey, I have more detail. If you're interested, I can send you additional information. And when you do that, they say, yeah, I'm interested. They already gave you the go ahead. They already gave you the green light. And then you can give them that link and you can educate. Just don't throw a link in there, but educate them. Say, hey, I seen that you reached out to me. This is what I want to offer you. This is what this is about. You can give me a call. And you might just close them on a phone call. But there are some of the ways that you can actually get through with your affiliate links to get your business on the right path. Now, so some of you may feel like, oh, this is not for me. Why? You got to question yourself, why? At the end of the day, you want to be able to project. This stuff is not going to be done passively. Now, this is passive income we're earning, but you don't want it to be where you're just like, well, I'm just going to give up and just be mediocre. You have to continue to promote. As you see all these other folks promoting their products and they're doing the things that they want to do. So just take that time and look back at what are the things that you've been doing with your links. So my question to you, what are the other things that you have been promoting to get your business up and running? What have you been promoting? How you been promoting books? How you been promoting free seminars? How you been promoting free courses? What are some of the things that you did? Please let us know. All right, guys. I hope that this helps you out. I have my free resources that are down below that you can check out. Go ahead and get access to those now. The links are down below. If you have any questions, you can contact me directly on that one link that's related to Facebook, and we can have a conversation started. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like and share. I see you later on. Take care.